Episode 9 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards, pull me out of packs I open every day. Today she's picked Destined Rivals, which is the 9th card going in the binder, which completes the first page. We have got 2 other Destined Rivals cards on that page, it's a Nidoking EX and a Mewtwo EX. So let's hope we can go one better today. Get that Moltres on Mewtwo. And every pull that I get is going into a binder that I'm going to give away at the end of the year, only if I hit 50,000 followers. So make sure you're following along so that can happen. Got Diplin, Fluffy, and just a rare Zapdos, which, by the way, is my favourite Pokemon. Zapdos. Anyway, that completes day 9 of the binder, so starting to shape up nicely. Got some nice hits on that first page, but let's hope that page 2 is a lot better than that, so I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.